Imagine an island covered by forests and coconut trees, with a road to drive around it and another one to cross it. Don't expect to see any traffic jams here. There isn't a single traffic light. Don't worry about getting lost either. There are hardly any intersections. Every track will lead you to a new adventure if you are curious enough. Every path is worth exploring. Who knows which creature you might stumble upon? Now surround this island with a deep blue ocean, majestic limestone cliffs, and secluded swimming pools. Being a raised coral atoll, the thick limestone layer created a multitude of gorges to explore. And the most amazing underwater topography surrounds the island like a beautiful lace necklace. Healthy, colourful hard corals and schools of fish are some of the underwater wonders to expect, all in the crystal clearest water you can imagine. You'll definitely come across the harmless native sea snakes. And if you're lucky, a groper might even show you the way to a secret chasm. The underwater world is a colourful contrast to the green forests. So trust yourself and jump in. Who knows what magical encounter you'll have. For the more courageous ones, take a dive into the heart of the island, swim through submerged tunnels, and resurface in a hidden underwater cave. This breathtaking place will surprise you with its natural beauty. Every day is a festival of colours, bathed in sunlight. Quite a paradise for water lovers, and always full of rewards for the adventurous. You are more than likely to have giant swim holes to yourself. Let yourself be gently rocked by the ocean. Slow down and welcome to one of the Pacific's best kept secrets. Niue.